Hurricane Beryl, a major hurricane, a serious storm condition expected through the Caribbean and in towards Central America during this upcoming week. It is a major hurricane, likely to get even stronger with destructive winds, bringing flooding, heavy rains, and a significant storm surge. Hurricane Center Director Michael Brennan. Michael, we've been looking at this. We were speaking to our hurricane specialist, Brian Norcross, about it. Let's just start with what has happened these past 12 hours with Beryl. Undergoing that eyewall replacement cycle, does anything stand out to you about this ERC? It seems to me, because there have been hurricanes that pass where an eyewall replacement cycle can really weaken a storm, but this one did very little, and wondering why, how that could be.
Yeah, well, we did see weakening with the eyewall cycle yesterday. You could see overnight the satellite presentation degraded. The winds did come down from what we saw from the hurricane hunters, but when the environment is still overall favorable, you can complete that eyewall cycle. The storm gets a little bigger, and then that new eyewall starts to form and contract, and the storm re-strengthens, and that's unfortunately what we've seen happen with, terrible timing for the southern Windward Islands this morning. We've seen the storm become even stronger than it was yesterday, again, up to a high-end Category 4, 150-mile-per-hour winds, just a catastrophic scenario that's playing out now in places like Carriacou, just to the north of Grenada, islands like Union Island, Palm Island, some of these small islands that are in the eye or in the northern eye wall of this potentially catastrophic hurricane.
Yeah, I mean, Beryl, one for the history books in so many regards, won the eyewall replacement cycle that we were watching unfold, and those winds, the latest, coming at 150 miles per hour. I mean, it is July 1st. We saw Beryl make headlines over the weekend in 42 hours from a tropical depression into a major hurricane, and that was a Category 3 status. We've now excelled beyond that. I mean, just an incredible and also terrifying thing that is currently happening out of the tropical Atlantic at this point.
Yeah, it's a really horrifying scenario to see a rapidly intensifying storm, affecting land areas, multiple islands. As you mentioned, these are populated islands. Some of these islands have thousands to even 10,000 people living on them. So, hopefully folks are sheltering in place, riding out the storm, not going out in the eye, waiting for the backside of the storm to clear. Conditions will gradually start to improve as we get later into today, into tonight, and then we'll watch Beryl make its way across the Caribbean, and potential downstream impacts in places like Jamaica, the Yucatan Peninsula, Cayman Islands later this week.